Stop spending hours on outdated learning methods. Accelerate your progress by 10 times using Study Potion AI. In this video, I will introduce Study Potion, the best AI tool for students to use. This AI makes flashcards, notes, and quizzes instantly. It helps you save hours creating study materials from any file, video, link, or notes. If you are new here, please support my channel by liking and sharing this video. But more importantly, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Now let's get started and let me show you how to use Study Potion for your studies as a student, teacher, creator, or whoever you are, but you are looking for an AI tool that would help your learning. With Study Potion, you can create hundreds of flashcards in seconds. Just upload your stuff and Study Potion's smart AI makes awesome study aids just for you. Practice with multiple choice, fill in the blank, and free response questions. Study Potion also helps you to chat with YouTube. Here is how. Study Potion assists you in chatting with PDF. Learning is fun with Study Potion. Talk to your study materials with Study Potion's chat feature. Ask questions, get help, and understand tricky topics better. Get beautifully formatted notes instantly from any uploaded document. Study Potion's AI algorithms summarize key points, create outlines, and provide you with concise, easy-to-review notes. With Study Potion, you can get quick answers for anything, whether it's a YouTube video or a PDF file. This tool is best for 1. Language learning, 2. Medical students, 3. SATACT. To use this tool, I have included the link in the description below. Follow it and sign up with Study Potion, taking your learning to a whole new level. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos.